BTC Markets Australia app. The pros, the cons. BTC Markets Australia app is one of the most popular crypto platforms in Australia, offering a secure and straightforward way to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another trading app, but the surprising truth is that it combines simplicity, security, and local banking integration for a seamless experience. On the pros side, BTC Market supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. Deposits and withdrawals in order are fast and easy, thanks to local bank partnerships. The app features real-time charts, price alerts, and a user-friendly interface that makes trading accessible to beginners and intermediate users alike. Security is robust, with two-factor authentication, cold storage, and strict compliance with Australian regulations. However, there are some cons. BTC Markets charges higher trading fees compared to international exchanges, which can eat into profits for active traders. Advanced trading features are limited, so professional traders might find the platform lacking in depth for complex strategies. Also, the app's customer support can sometimes be slower than expected during high-volume periods. In conclusion, the BTC Markets Australia app is ideal for Australians looking for a secure, local crypto trading solution. It's perfect for beginners and casual traders who want easy access to the market with Australian dollars. While fees and limited advanced tools are drawbacks, its reliability, regulatory compliance, and user-friendly design make it a solid choice for anyone starting with crypto trading down under.